how to make a slider in Elementor. So here I've just logged into my Elementor account and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, on the preview of my website. Now making a slider is very easy. All we have to do here is we have to search the widget for slide, and you should be able to see slides, image carousel, and carousel. For example, I'll just do this slides one. So I'll just click on it and it's going to add it to my section here. Now what we can do is we can click on the different slides, for example slide 1 here, and we can add an image. Now we can upload our own files, or we can use the media library if we've previously uploaded the image that we want to include in our slide. And what we can do is we can go to content here as well, and we can change the heading. So for example, we can do picturesque, and we can also change the text which is displayed right here. So we can do forest. This is just as an example. And we can also add a button. So as you can see here, we have the button that says click here, and we can just do click me for this tutorial, and we can also include a link here. And then what we have to do is we can also change the style itself here, so we can create a custom style, but I'll just leave this like so. And I've edited my first slider. Oops, you don't want to click on the X mark unless you want to delete it, but you repeat the same process for all of these different slides here. Again, you can make or change this accordingly. And then we'll go to the next slide here, and as you can see, as soon as we change the slide, it automatically saves it. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.